We are given a solution curve of a first-order differential equation through 1, 3 with x positive. We must check which of the proposed curves it intersects. Let us solve step by step. First factor the coefficient. Then invert the derivative and set u equal to x plus 2 and v equal to u over y. Substituting u equal to vy makes the differential equation separable. After integration, the point 1, 3 fixes the constant. On the line y equals x plus 2, the equation forces y to be 3 and x to be 1. So the line is met exactly once, making option A true and option B false. Here w is x plus 2, so w is more than 2. But the right side is less than 2, while the left side is more than 2. Therefore this intersection is impossible, so option C is false. For y equals x plus 3 whole square, the left side is positive. But the right side becomes negative, so equality cannot happen. Thus option D is true. So the solution curve intersects y equals x plus 2 exactly once and does not intersect y equals x plus 3 whole square. The correct options are A and D. For more clear step-by-step learning, keep practicing with Acharya.